guys, it's Brookelynne and welcome to the channel. Today's look is going to be a very glam, full glam Christmas party makeup look. Perfect for them Christmas nights out, them Christmas parties, if you're going out for a night, like a nightclub or like even just going to a wee house party or something like that. It's just perfect for like Christmas anything to be fair, but definitely a party. So let's get started.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain.
I did my base makeup and my eyebrow makeup off camera, so I'm showing you these products on screen. If you can't make out any of the products, let me know and I will tell you what they are.
Family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can
Okay, so I'm taking my Carnival palette by Be Perfect, the original one. I'm taking the light brown shade with a fluffy crease brush from Primark, putting it into the crease and into the outer V just to create a transition for the darker colours to go on to. Just making sure to build and blend that up so it shows up on the eyes. And underneath, by squashing the brush, I'm applying the product there too, just to really create like an even blend. And even from top to bottom, taking the light brown, dark brown together on another fluffy crease brush and just applying that deeper into my crease and then the outer V area, and just making sure to blend that out and to look straight ahead so it does show up, because I do have hooded eyes. That's a good tip. Look ahead into your mirror and apply it slightly higher and into the crease just to create a better kind of lifted eye. Taking that underneath as well and blending it out. Just building and blending is what's going to work by creating a smoky eye. Taking a darker shade with a wee small crease brush just into the outer V and also into the crease a bit to create more that gradual smoky eye, and it just helps to really shape and lift the eye. Also again underneath the eyes with the same product and the same brush, only squashed.
Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Oh, yeah. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain.
I'm going in with the W7 Juice palette. I love this palette. It is well loved and well used. Taking a wee small pencil brush with the black shade in the outer V area and slightly into the crease. I really want to create the most depth and the most darkness in that outer V area, and I want that to show up too, so I'm actually opening up my eyes when I'm doing that, just to really create that lifted eyes and stop it looking really hooded. Taking the gold shade in the Be Perfect palette with a flat but fluffy lid brush, and I'm just packing that on, like really packing it on the lid space where like there's been no shadow on it. So I'm really giving that a pop. You can do a cut crease if you want it to be really bright and poppy, but you don't need to. I didn't anyway, didn't bother doing a cut crease, and I'm just kind of taking darker shade again just to intensify that and make a blend. Taking my eyeliners I used and a glitter liner on top. If you don't want to do a cut crease, use a glitter liner on top and that'll really make the shadow pop. And if you can hear squeaking noises, feet running around, my husband was running around the house, and pretty much that's what mum life is all about. I'm just applying that glitter liner over the top of the gold shadow just to really make that pop. Taking my bronzer, it's the Doll Beauty one, with a wee angled face brush just to really contour my face. I wish I would have used a cream bronzer like my Huda Beauty Tantour, because it would have turned out better in the pictures and stuff, as you can tell, but I didn't. I didn't use my second bronzer, which I normally do use. But I'm just really packing on that bronzer and contour my face out using my XX Revolution Scenic Blush just on a blush brush, and I'm just putting it on my cheeks just to create a nice blush look. And then my I Heart Revolution highlighter with a wee domed highlighter brush just top of the cheekbones and to create that really nice lifted highlighting shade. Sorry, my son is going nuts, and also on the brow bones and inner corners. I did my mascara off camera. Now I'm going to apply my liquid lipstick by Be Perfect. It's in She Meets Business, and it's a velvet matte liquid lipstick. It's beautiful. I'm sorry I didn't get to capture that on screen because I had my whole mouth covered pretty much with the mirror, bar some of it. But yeah, I'm just really packing that liquid lipstick on to make it bright, and I am slightly overlaying my lips even though I got them done. the day before this was filmed, so a few days ago now. But I like to have that full pout, and yeah, I love big lips, so that's why I'm just really packing on that lipstick and making it look poppy, as you can tell. And yeah, my son's going nuts for his toy, as you can tell, like you can hear it. And he's a Frenchie, so back on my son, but hey ho. But yeah, that's the whole look done with bar lashes. I'm just using these extra AF lashes, and there you go, that's them on. They're nice and full and dramatic, perfect for a Christmas party. I hope you enjoyed this video, hope my son didn't disturb you, and I'll see you again for the next one. Stay gorgeous, God bless, bye, have a happy Christmas.